How to add Google search bar to home screen in smartphone Android. A lot of people accidentally use the widget, whether after an update, switching launchers, or even deleting without noticing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you to walk you through several different methods to solve this problem, okay? And make sure you always have quick and easy access to Google whenever you need. Just follow along until the end of the video, and you'll definitely be able to fix it. So the method number one, guys, is adding the widget directly to the home screen. This is the fastest and the most common method, okay? Just go to your home screen and press and hold your finger on an empty area until your customization options appear, just like that one. Then scroll until you can see the Google one. You can actually go here on widget, go on Chrome, and there will be several options. You can have the Chrome Dino to play that game on the dinosaur that you have when you lose connection. It's very cool actually. Here you have the search bar that we want, but you can have the Google Maps, the Network Times, New York Times, the Yahoo, the ESPN Soccer, and there will be a lot of others. Okay, clock, contacts, device care, Facebook, Gmail, and so on. So what we want is the search bar. So we are going to click here and click add, and there will be the search with Google. Okay, when you click it, they will be directly to the Google, and you can type. That's a new phone, so it must be configured, but you can just search wherever you want. Okay. The method number two, guys, is checking if the Google app is disabled. Sometimes the search bar disappears because the Google app was accidentally disabled. So to check this, we are going here on our phone, go on settings, and here on settings we are going to look for something called apps. We are going to click on apps, and here we are going to down below until we see the Google one. We saw the Google right here, but maybe that's not the one. We're going to keep going. So yeah, we found it. We're going to click on it, and here we can see that it's installed, but sometimes it's not installed, or as it's a app that it comes with the phone, it can be disabled and also stopped. So you just enable it and try again. Okay, so the next method, guys, is updating the Google app. Sometimes bugs or outdated versions of the Google app can make the search bar disappear or stop working. So to fix it, open the Google apps, the Play Store actually. We're going to open the Play Store, go here and type Google and see if there is one update. For me there is actually. So you're going to update, and you should do the same. When the system's finished the loading, and try the widget again, and in many cases this alone solves the problem. The method number four, guys, is clearing the Google app cache. If the search bar appears but isn't working properly, freezes, or doesn't respond when you try to type, clearing the cache actually can work. So what we have to do is go here on settings, go on apps again, and we are going again to search for the Google. Found the Google, click on it, and here we are going to click in storage and click here on cache. Manage storage, clear cache. So for me it's down here. We are going to click clear cache right here, and probably my cache is already down below, so it won't work. But for you actually work it just take a little bit of time. Okay, after that you can go back to the home screen and test the search bar again. The last method, guys, is changing your launcher if it doesn't support widgets. Some older launchers, some older phones, or some modified Android versions simply doesn't support widgets properly. If that's your case, the only solution is to switch to a launcher that supports widgets, like Nova Launcher, for example. So we are going here on Play Store, going on search. We are going to type on Nova Launcher. You can download it, and here you can customize whatever you want. You can see, let me focus, you can see right here this tiny Gmail right here. to have the Google search, and you can customize it. You can put a photo, you can put a video on your home screen, a lot of themes, well, you can go just install, and that will be very intuitive to you. If you still can't get the search bar to appear after trying all those methods, then your device may have a specific internal issue or hidden configuration causing the problem. But don't worry, if you can't solve by yourself, just contact me through the link in the description below, and I'll fix you very quickly and easily. If this video helped you guys, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you are able to add in the search bar, or if you still have questions. Your comment helps me a lot to keep bringing useful